Work has started on the Dakota, giving it a service. Bob knows it, yeah.
Yeah, he ordered the spec of them.
Yeah. Oh, good. It looks okay. So you got the hinges to put on now, have you? All the fairing?
Yeah, it's going to be done tomorrow.
Oh, you painted it black, have you? Yeah.
Touched all the rivets up.
Oh, and you're hard, because these, last time I was here, these weren't hard riveted, or solid riveted. That's it. Right, thank you. So these were 5/8 number 6 screws. These are the reserve props out of the stores. They're going to put them on while the ones come back from Canada. Okay. What's that you're measuring up, Jack?
Oh, it's the trim tab arm. It comes out there.
Oh.
It has to have a piece of felt on the inside, a square piece of thick felt, and then they split it in the middle, and the trim tab arm just goes through the felt and out. But until we've got the trim tabs aren't fitted. Until we fit them, we're just not putting the slit in the felt.
Oh.
So, an early Lancaster, the one that's crashed over there, the really early one, this has a streamlining fairing on it, but later on they just put felt in.
Felt on. Yeah. Will you be putting the felt on and not bothering right now?
Oh yeah, the felt has to go on underneath this plate.
Yeah.
So to put it on later on, you'd have to take the plate off. So just put it on, but we won't put a slit in it.
No.
And then when we get the arms, we'll just open it up.
Yeah. The rudders aren't actually working, are they? Last year they weren't working, were they?
Oh no, the rudders will work.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. But
they've connected up.
Yeah, but the trim tab isn't.
No.
We're having them specially made because they're special, the way they're made.
Because I mean, they won't know about the trim tab till they get it up there, will they really?
Well, they won't need it now. Checking, I've done it the same.
Good, thank you. Just slightly roughing the surface to take the glue. Do you put the adhesive on and have to let it stand for a certain length of time?
No, it goes off quite quickly.
Oh, so you've got to work quick on it?
No, you can reactivate it.
Keith's using, what is it?
It's 4-inch pinking tape, Zeekonite.
It's 4-inch.
Pinked tape, which means it's cut zigzaggy on the edge.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
4-inch pinked tape, and it's Zeekonite to give it a leading edge protection.
Yeah. And so he puts the glue on. He glues the part where the wood is, the leading edge, and then does he shrink it?
No, there's not enough to do that. What he does is put glue on, and then he puts the cloth on, and then he stipple more glue through the weave, and it reactivates the first glue, and it will then start to stick it down. But there's just not enough of it to warrant shrinking it.
So he can stretch it round like, yeah. I see.
But it's similar to the stuff I was using on the wing, but, but that's the Zeekonite, which is the slightly cheaper version. But it's more of a weather seal at the front to stop the moisture going in and under the wood and under the metal and over the wood. You know?
Yeah. Oh right, thank you.
Cool.